How to fix mobile data not working on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, reboot your device. Hold down the power button. Now slide towards restart. If your phone hasn't been restarted in a while, this can help refresh its system. Method 2. You need to check for the signal strength. Look at the signal bars on your device. If the signal is weak or fluctuating, move to an area with a stronger reception. If this doesn't work for you, you need to check for software updates. Open Settings. Scroll down. Now tap on Search bar and type in Updates. You'll find a list of updates along with the software updates. You need to tap on Software Update option and open it to check whether there is updates or not. If there is any, download and install and make sure your apps are up to date via the Google Play Store. Now you simply need to manually reconnect to your network. For that, go to the settings. Now choose mobile network option and choose your SIM card. Now tap on preferred network type and you need to choose a different network temporarily, then reconnect to your original network type. After that, you need to check whether your issue resolved or not. If none of the step works, the issue might be on your career side. Use their chat or phone support for assistance and visit a local career store if needed. So that's it. I hope this guide worked for you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.